Yo, so I just got back home and came from Billionaire News Channel. I did a guesting, link down below, watch it. I'm super excited, happy today because today I'm buying a new car. So I finally pulled the trigger. Both my cars, both Subarus are kind of old and I traded them in, sold one, adding a little bit more to buy a new car. It's been long overdue. It's something that I wanted to do and I wanted to really get a hybrid. And after searching for and checking my options, checking out BYD, checking out Mazda, Toyota, all the other brands, ang dami pa nila. You have GAC, everybody, there's just so many car brands out there. Jatour, I found the one. This, I think, is the perfect one because it literally fits exactly what I wanted in a car. It's a car where I can sit at the back, has a nice captain's chair, very spacious, very roomy for me and the wifey, and it just fit the budget amazingly well. So you will head over to Toyota and we will get our new car. Let's go. Oh, nag-start ka na.
Ganun.
O to, mag-hi ka. Oh. Ikaw yung
Hi
bida
po.
dito. Ayan, say mo hello. Pakilala ka.
Hi, I'm Joey Cabardo from Toyota Show. Bali, client ko si Sir Carlo po. Sir Carlo, thank you sa tiwala po sa akin na mag-buy po kayo ng Zenix po dito sa Toyota Show. More blessings, sir. Sana po mas marami pang blessing dumating sa'yo. God bless po, sir.
Pakita natin yung kotse.
Okay po.
So as you guys can tell, we're here at Toyota Show. So we ended up buying yung Toyota Zenix, which is a hybrid, kind of like a semi-van. We got it primarily because when we saw that the captain's chairs were at the back, parang it would be a very comfortable car for the wife. And then apart from that, it's hybrid, so mas makakatipid ka in terms of gas and yung overall fuel efficiency. So, andun na siya. Lalagyan nila ng ribbon. And then I think we'll have to take a picture. So, yeah, ito na. Ayun, no? Ang ganda.
Sikat na vlogger po si Sir Carlo.
Hindi, sakto lang, hindi sikat.
Hello everyone, I'm Joey Cabardo po, marketing professional. Bali, ito yung inabil ni Sir Carlo Ople po na Zenix po na bago. 2.0 engine po siya, hybrid po, napakatipid, napakaganda. Tapos salamat sa tiwala niyo sa akin, Sir Carlo. Sana mas marami pa kayong blessings na dumating po. God bless po, thank you po. Ayan, bali po yung Zenix po is captain seat po siya, naka-leather seat na rin po siya. Sobrang comfort po sa mga pasahero po natin, kaya avail na po Toyota Zenix po. Congratulations, sir! Pakipalo na rin si Sir Carlo Ople sa kanyang YouTube po. Bali, Sir Carlo, pwede pakilagay po yung link ng Facebook sa ilalim ng page mo. Maraming salamat, sir. God bless po. Thank you po.
So guys, that was the car that we ended up buying, which is the Toyota Zenix. We'll take a closer look in a bit. I have to go, I'm actually back here at home. Kitang-kita nyo naman, medyo base tayo. We're wearing these are one of those rare instances where I need to wear like barong. I'm actually headed out to a wedding and I'm one of the principal sponsors. This is for one of our talents at the Unbox Creator Network, which is Mary Bautistas and Jason. So Mary and Jason, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Wishing you guys the very best. Super excited to witness your union as one. O, di ba? Panalo. So I'll be going with the missus, but prior to that, let's say goodbye to the cats. Dusty! Dusty! Uchu-chu-chu-chu-chu-chu-chu! Dusty! Sino ba nandito? Oh! Panda! Cute-cute ni Panda! Panda! Babe, mag-hi ka naman sa vlog. Ganda naman ang misis ko. Naks naman! Galang-galang. I think... Yeah, that's the one. Oh, yan. Oh, babe, what do you think about the Zenix?
Sobrang ganda.
Oh, diba? What do you like the most about it?
The chairs.
Oh,
comfort.
pareho tayo actually. So yun din yung pinaka nagustuhan namin, which is the chair. You can actually recline this and it has a footrest. So you can actually lie down. So if you need like a daily car for commute and your concerns are fuel efficiency, savings, and at the same time, overall comfort, feeling talaga namin this is one of the better cars. Kasi yung Alphard is 4.6 million. So yung luxury vans are around that price range, just below 2 million. So if you just want, di ba babe, like pang araw-araw. So of course it's Toyota, so it's very reliable. It's easy to service and maintain. So that plus the fact that yung agent nga that took care of us sa show was very reliable. Si Joey, shoutout kay Joey. Joey, congratulations on your sale.
Yes, number one daw siya.
Number one si Joey. Congratulations. Nabudol mo kami. But anyway, in all seriousness, we're very happy so far and we'll just keep you guys posted with how our journey with the Zenix goes in the next few months. But as far as initial impressions go, and again, from the use case nga of why you would want one, it's really the everyday van comfort slash fuel efficiency plus reliability of Toyota. Again, we took a look at a lot of car brands from sila BYD, sila MG, sila Hyundai, and several other brands, even the other China brand cars, sila Jatour. Sino ba? Madami, di ba, babe? There are a lot eh. But we really ended up, actually I even looked at getting another Subaru. But we really ended up with this one. In fact, the first time I saw the Zenix, it was on display at a mall. Tapos, I tried sitting in it. Tapos doon pa lang, parang love at first sight na. Wow. Di ba, babe? Ako lang ka pala noon, no, nung nakita ko siya sa mall. Tapos after that, tsaka ako nag-research. So, to all the car dealer franchise sellers out there, yung mall display of cars works talaga. Nakakuha siya ng attention, nakakabudol siya. Well, anyway, yun lang. So I will head over to the wedding and we'll just bring you guys along with us.